What's up, guys? Finally got something cool in the mail. Ordered this a couple weeks ago. It's gonna help me out in my little adventure trips. So I got a Trail FX roof rack. Alright, so I went with the Trail FX roof rack because it was the exact same make and material as the Smittybilt, and the Smittybilt was $200 more. So I went with Trail FX, a little cheaper, same quality. You know, it's kind of a budget build. Throwing myself into this whole overland thing is pretty expensive, right? All right, let's start unboxing it. Alright, so like I said, I went with like the cheapest one possible. I went with the Trail FX, and I believe the model number is a 6029T. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty good quality. It's pretty heavy. A lot of pieces, not sure how it's gonna hook up yet. But yeah, so like I said, this one was, I believe, $600. And the Smittybilt, that's the same, exact same quality, same style, is around $800. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that in order to put the rack on, you have to drill holes into your bumper. So this one is actually this is actually one I bought off of Craigslist for 60 bucks. So I don't have to cut up my factory one. Like I said, you'll probably have to drill holes here and on this side. Alright, so first thing I'm going to have to do is take this bumper right off. Alright, to take the bumper off, there's 2 bolts on this side. Right there. And there's going to be 2 in the middle of the bumper, and then 2 on the other side. Alright, like I said, I'm going to drill a hole here so this thing can stick out of it. Alright guys, after a bunch of cutting, I had to cut the stock bumper, little slot there, and over there, just so I can put these bars in. This will mount onto the frame. Yeah, almost there. Alright, now we're going to undo these screws here to mount this thing. Right there. What's up, guys? Day 2 of the roof rack install. Show you where we're at. A couple more things. Should be done. Well, that's it, guys. What do you guys think? It's not bad for the 600 bucks. I mean, 3,000 like the other ones. Main goal for this was to get a rooftop tent. Yeah, not bad.